Sino pa?
Also the
Of course, Mayor.
Mayor tayo.
Mayor, sure,
Kaya mo pa, Mayor? Kaya mo ba?
Sure,
Basta
Mayor.
O, yan ang gusto. Is it a public clamor? Sa media?
Yes, Mayor.
Well, is the media's sentiment now reflect the
Yes, of course.
community
Yes, of course.
gusto ng tao, ibig sabihin?
Yes, yes.
Sige, mag-mayor tayo.
How about Mayor Baste and Consuelo?
What will happen to Mayor Baste?
He should be the vice mayor. Kasi ako matanda na, 73 ako ngayon. I should be, I think about mga 75, 76.